how to turn on or turn off adaptive power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here. So click on device care. Now here, so click on battery. So after click on battery, so click on power saving. So after click on power saving, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, I here showing you adaptive power saving. So click on adaptive power saving. So if you want to turn on adaptive power saving, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see adaptive power saving is turned on. So if you want to turn off adaptive power saving, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see adaptive power saving is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off adaptive power saving from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off adaptive power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.